Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is January 27, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. Please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right. Let's jump right over to the charts and see what we see. And let me do this. And let me just zoom on in here to this quarterly chart. On the quarterly chart, all we can see here, we're still below that yearly R1. We're still, struggling on up to the upside and see what's going to happen there. Excuse me. All right, on the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we're still just below that R1 here on these quarterly pivots also. We're still looking very bullish for this quarter. We're still above the 10 moving average and look like we're still looking to move higher. Let's go ahead and drop down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, let me zoom in a little bit closer here and all. There's something, it's a little bit more information here. Last week we was just below that R1. This week we have gotten above this R1 and we're going to an R2 level. I was expecting a little bit of resistance here, and we did. It was a tight week this week. We'll go ahead and when we look at the daily chart, you'll see that. But we're still looking bullish. But it did slow down a little bit this past week. And we'll see this here on this daily chart. Let's take a quick look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, as you can see, this week we did make a move to the upside. We did go ahead and start making those new highs. We did make a new high again this week on Friday, but we ended up forming a couple dojis, a hammer and a doji here at the end of the week on the daily picture. We've been having some crazy trading, intraday type stuff with this market popping and dropping type stuff. It makes for some very interesting trades. But in all, the market is still going higher, still look bullish, but we are beginning to consolidate. This might be beginning of a little consolidation, and it can end up turning over on us. So we do have a couple dojis and indecisions in the market. So be careful, be careful, be careful. And that's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.